Hello loved ones, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make the best fried pie recipe at home for snacks or for any event. So let's get started. So in a clean bowl we're going to be adding about 3 cups of all-purpose flour. After you're done adding that, let's go ahead and use nutmeg. We're going to add about half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, I'm going to use blue band margarine, or you can use any margarine, or you can even use butter. And this is about half cup of butter. Next, we're going to use onion. I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of shredded onion. Okay, or if you prefer to use onion powder, feel free and do that as well. So next, I just added about a little bit of cold water. So gradually we're going to make sure that we mix everything really well into a very nice and very smooth dough. So this is how you want your dough. So you have to keep kneading until you get that perfect shape or perfect dough that you need. So after everything is nice and mixed, go ahead and cover it and leave it in your fridge for about 45 minutes. Okay, while the dough is resting, friends, let's go ahead and cut some vegetables. I have here about half each, so I'm using onion, red bell pepper, and green pepper, but you can use any preferred vegetables of your choice. All right, so after you dice them small pieces or into a small size, just go ahead and then get your corned beef ready. Or if you have ground turkey, ground chicken, ground beef, or you can even use tuna to prepare this recipe. But as of today, we're gonna use corned beef. So next, I shredded carrots. I'm gonna add it in there, and I just added my vegetables right here. All right, friends. So go ahead and stir and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Okay. So after you let it cook for about 2 minutes, go ahead and add some seasoning. So I have here about a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper or chili pepper or any hot pepper that you want to add in there. And also I just added in my curry powder as well. So keep stirring and also leave it to cook for extra 1 minute and then you are done. So as you can tell, the dough looks really nice and very soft. I like the consistency of this recipe. Trust me, when you follow the instructions and you make this recipe, you will be really amazed. Yeah, friends, so I'm going to make sure that I get the perfect shape that I need. So I'm using my blender, that is the smoothie blender that I have here, and I'm using the cup to cut my dough. But if you have anything that you can help cut it, that's absolutely fine. All right, so this is looking really easy, very simple, right? So we're gonna start adding our meat. So I'm using my roller right here, and then just to smooth it out a little bit more, so yeah, we can get it ready to seal up. All right, so friends, if you haven't tried this meat pie recipe and this is the fried version, please, you are missing out, because this recipe you can definitely make for your friends, your loved ones, the party. Yeah, this is gonna be really easy, and trust me, the taste is absolutely delicious, and you will never be disappointed when you try this recipe at home. All right, so after we sealed everything, we are going to use sunflower oil to fry this. Or friends, if you prefer to bake this in the oven also, just go ahead and feel free and do that. All right, so our oil is nice and hot. It's about 350 degrees right now, and just go ahead and start frying this recipe. It looks so easy, and this is like the easiest part of it all. Just go ahead and dump everything and gradually make sure that you stir your pie so you don't burn it. Usually it will take about 7 to 8 minutes to fry. You see, it is so easy. It is really nice outside. It's very hot where I am right now. So all that you needed to enjoy this amazing recipe is just some soft drink. It can be, any soft drink of your preference. You know what I mean? So after 7 to 8 minutes, friends, it is done. Look at that beauty right there. Let me just go ahead and grab some soft drink like malt or Fanta or Sprite, because it's gonna go really well with that. All right, friends. So thank you so much for cooking with us today. So this pie came out amazingly delicious. Okay, and look at that. I want you to try. I like the fact that it has a lot of meat in there. Yes, that's like the best pie that you've ever had. So friends, I really appreciate you being here and also for all your support. I hope you share this recipe for us. Until I see you again, stay safe.